This is the last of the electronics installation of the Revival Kit. We're installing the authentication cable and USB-C port. Like the frets and breakout board, the Xplorer has an exclusive part for this, so make sure that you order the right kit. The authentication cable and USB-C port replace the location of the existing headphone jack using a 3D printed bracket. You will notice two distinct sides of the bracket. The authentication cable relies on pieces sticking out of the front shell of the guitar body to stay in place. The USB-C port will only go in one way, with the port itself facing outwards. After you've inserted the authentication cable into the bracket, we'll plug the yellow cable into the USB-C daughter board and then insert the daughter board into the 3D printed bracket. It will sit in there flush. We can test fitment by putting the other side of the bracket on. You can hold up the guitar and then see that they connect flush. Now, we can plug the other end of the yellow cable into the strum board. The port for it is next to the onboard USB-C port. The authentication cable goes onto the opposite side near the Start Select port. Like the rest of the cables we've installed, cable management is key.